Chapter 5. Introduction to Logo Language. You have learned to draw on a computer using MS Paint program. You can also make the computer draw automatically by giving commands. To give commands or instructions to computer and get a drawing made, you will have to learn a computer language. Logo is a computer language with the help of which you can make drawings. In this chapter, you will learn to draw using Logo commands. What is a computer language? You must be surprised and thinking how a machine can have its language. But yes, a computer is made to understand some special words called keywords. These keywords get translated into electric signals and drive the computer parts to perform different tasks. A computer language is a set of symbols and keywords, each of which give a command to the computer. Logo language. Logo is a computer language which is designed especially for creating graphics or drawings. Logo stands for Language of Graphics Oriented. This language was designed by Seymour Papert at the Massachusetts Institute in the USA. We can use Logo to draw different figures, do arithmetics, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, write text. Do you know a large number of computer languages are developed so far by scientists and pioneers in the computer field? The names of some are C++, HTML, Java, Basic, COBOL, Visual Basic, SQL, etc. Getting started with Logo. To start working in Logo language, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Click on Start button. Step 2. Click on Programs. Step 3. Click on Logo. Logo works with turtle. A turtle is an object that moves in its field on the screen and obeys your commands to draw figures on the screen. It is much different from the living turtle. It is called the turtle because it moves in small steps. The logo screen. The logo screen is divided into text area and graphic area. All the commands given to the turtle are written in text area. It represents the lower side of the screen. The turtle moves in the graphic area, and center of the graphic area is called the home of turtle. When we enter Logo, turtle is present at its home. The turtle always points in one direction. It can move forward, back, left and right, but points to one direction at a time. The commands which turtle can understand are known as primitives. Logo primitives. Logo language has many primitives to move the turtle on graphic screen and make it draw. The basic primitives are FD, forward, moves turtle forward. BK, backwards, moves turtle backwards. RT, right, turns turtle in right direction. LT, left, turns turtle in left direction. CS, clear screen, clears the screen. CT, clear text, clears the text area. FD primitive. The primitive forward makes the turtle move in the forward direction. Key in a question mark. Give a space. Write FD. Give another space. Now key in the number of steps that you want the turtle to move. Press enter. For example, to move 50 steps forward, question mark, space, forward, space, 50, enter. Or question mark, space, FD, space, 50, enter. Remember, type correct spellings of the primitives that you use. Leave one space after the primitive. Press the enter key after typing the number of steps. The short form of the primitive forward is FD. BK primitive. BK is the short form for backwards. It moves the turtle in backward direction. You have to key in a question mark, give a space, type BK, give another space, write the number of steps that you want the turtle to move and then press enter. For example, to move 40 steps backward, you have to write question mark, space, BK, space, 40, enter. Or backwards, space, 40, enter. Remember, the direction of the turtle does not change while it moves back. Changing the direction of the turtle. Can you reach different places moving in the same direction in which you started from your home? I'm sure your answer is no. We need to take left or right turns to reach different places. Similarly, we need to turn the turtle towards left or right to draw different shapes and figures. To change the direction of turtle's movement, RT right and LT left primitives are used. These primitives only turn the turtle's face towards right or left direction. The turtle does not draw a line. Let us see how the turtle turns when we give RT and LT command along with the number of steps. Starting position. The turtle points upwards. RT space 90. The turtle points to its right. RT space 90. The turtle points downwards. RT space 90. The turtle again points to its right. You should note that since 90 plus 90 is equal to 180, so RT space 180 will give the same result as you will get by giving RT space 90 command twice. So, RT space 180 or LT space 180 will turn turtle's face in the opposite direction. That is, if turtle is facing right, it will face towards left, and if turtle is facing upwards, it will start facing downwards. If you want to slightly tilt the turtle's face towards right or left side, that is, you want to give it half right or half left turn, you can give 45 steps. Let's see how the turtle will move. Starting position. The turtle points upwards. LT space 90. The turtle points to its left. LT space 90. The turtle points downwards. LT space 90. The turtle again points to its left. Right and left primitives. Our next primitives are right and left. When we use primitives right and left, the number of steps represent the angle of turn in degrees to be taken by the turtle. Example: to turn the turtle 45 degrees towards right, the command can be written as space right space 45 enter, or space RT space 45 enter. Always type the angle of turn after writing the primitive. Space RT, press space bar, angle of turn, enter. Space left space 45 or space LT space 45. Turtle can take turns by any number of degrees. Let us study the left and right primitives along with forward and back. Turtle will move in the desired direction after the turn only if the SD or BK primitives are used to command the turtle for movement. Right or left primitives only make the turtle turn in the required direction on the left or right side. Example: to draw rectangle, space SD space 20, space RT space 90, space FD space 50, space RT space 90, space FD space 20, space RT space 90, space FD space 50, space RT space 90. In this example, the turtle took a turn to the right, but it moved forward only after writing FD primitive. Example: to draw the alphabet Y by moving and turning the turtle. Space FD space 40. Space RT 45. Space FD space 15. question mark space BK space 15. Question mark space LT space 90. Question mark space FD space 15. Home primitive. If you want to bring the turtle back to the center of the screen, that is its home, then key in the primitive home. FD 30, RT 40, FD 45, home. Whenever you order the turtle to come back to its home, it will leave a trail behind. Clear screen and clear text primitives. The primitive clear screen is used to clear the screen. It clears the figure drawn by the turtle and brings it back to its home position, pointing upwards. You have to type in a question mark, give a space, write clear screen and press enter. Or give a question mark, space, type CS and press enter. Example: FD 30, RT 40, FD 45, home. CS. Observe the change from figure 1 to figure 2. CS primitive clears the figure drawn by the previous commands. The primitive clear screen does not clear the text area. If you want to erase everything written in the text area, use the primitive clear text. You have to press question mark, give a space, then write clear text and press enter. Or write question mark, space, CT and enter. Look at figure 3 carefully. There is no text visible on the screen. That is, the written primitives have been cleared by using the primitive clear text.